Boink, boink. Yummy.
Ah. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready. Get the smart hat on. And I've got a winner for the Frazee Community Club $100 tickets. It's a friends of mine from church, Dave and Mary Godert. I said I should learn how to pronounce their name if they're friends of mine. Goderts, I think is how they pronounce their name.
Huh.
I just call them Dave and Mary. So $100 coming their way.
Good, good.
And they're customers. They're the ones that order so many plants.
Have you
here
ever
in the
figured
summertime.
how many thousands of dollars worth of prizes we've given out since we started doing this?
Well, you're the mathematician. 5,200.
Yeah, I would imagine it's probably around. I bet it's $50,000-$60,000 that we've given out. I say we, the community club has given it out, but we're helping them.
And we appreciate the people who are buying the tickets.
You know, this is the time of the year that maybe you sit out on a patio and kind of relax and so on. And Diane's
try to hang on to those last few summer days.
Yeah, Diane's got her coffee cup there.
Yeah.
And but we can't hardly keep this coffee in stock. It's Roma coffee, done in Bagley, and it's beautiful, good coffee.
My coffee cup attaches underneath.
Yeah.
Am I doing it right or on the outside?
Well,
front,
you
where,
can
maybe
do
anywhere.
You can do it anywhere. Actually, if you put it towards the front, Diane, then you can swing it inside or outside.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
so that's a little accessory piece that you can order with your chairs.
Yeah, $19. And by the way, these chairs here are regular $514, and really they're worth $514, and we're selling them for $399. And I guarantee you, when you buy one of these, you're never going to have to buy another one. And the nice thing about them, well, look at the structure of them, how they're built. They're good and heavy, good stainless steel stuff. And then like this one here, you can get this optional table to put in between. So
and the ones that Roger and I are sitting in right now fold up, so they come already assembled.
Yeah.
Some of the rocking chairs and some of the others. Maybe we should go look at the rocking chairs and some of the others.
Yeah.
Or do you want to? Okay. I also think sometimes this time of the year you need your mosquito spray when you're sitting out enjoying
something?
your
I've noticed more
chairs.
mosquitoes lately, and the other thing is this is kind of watermelon time, and we still have a good supply of watermelons and
knives.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the
let's go inside.
Have,
Okay.
We should point out right now. This is there's a different name for this chair because it's
Sultan or something, whatever it is. Who knows? It's a big long name.
Different look, but you have to sit in it to make sure which one you think is more comfortable
one of the
to get.
features in this chair, other than it folds up and easy for storage, is when they made it, he shortened this up. Most of them, they're about this much longer. Unless you're 6'3", you're going to get clobbered right here.
And they're a little bit higher.
This hind end part here is probably
The
about this much higher.
whole thing is a little bit higher, because I have many people say, no, I won't sit in Adirondack chairs because I can't get out of them.
Yeah.
It's like, no, they built them up a little bit higher, so they are very, very comfortable.
Okay, we didn't
and
bring them
here's
all.
one that is folded up to show you how that style comes. But the ones that we've got in the shed here, and it's already rained on them since I've dried them off, so maybe we won't sit in them.
Yeah, I'll sit in them. Yeah.
We're in a greenhouse and it tends to rain in here.
No.
But we've got swivel chairs that are higher than that kind. We've got, I can't remember the names of them.
Well, this is an armchair here. Yeah, the swivel chair, but these are also made where you can get this put on there. You can get these in every color, any color that you want. In other words, if you had a blue chair, you probably want it in blue or whatever and stuff. Also, hey, get in that walker.
The good old days of the train. No whistle though, you gotta notice that. We don't have whistles in Frazee anymore. And that's a good thing.
Yeah, sit down in that rocker.
It's wet. I don't want to sit in it anymore.
Well,
I dried them off about
it.
15 minutes ago. But
well, in the greenhouse, It's like a rainforest. Anyway.
Okay, and there's one, we didn't show the colors out there, but we have one that's in different color, different fabric.
Well, all these colors, here's some of the swatches here.
No, the ones outside, these cost 10% more,
Yeah.
is what I was going to say.
Yeah.
This particular,
Yeah, that green,
it's got a grain in it, yes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but you
can't
can do
remember.
anything you want. If you want a green one and with orange, that's fine. You can have that, or you can have any mixture of these colors. And we've had some people that really had ordered some wild ones. By the way, Diane, they're shipping in about a week and a half now.
Okay, so we've got 3 of that different ones that cost, no, 4, premium
Yeah.
is what they're called.
Yeah.
We'd forgotten. Okay.
Yeah.
But lots of choices. You can make them all solid color or come up with
Well-
any combination that you want. So that's at the Backyard Station Frazee. Prices are under everybody else's prices. Check them out. Roger and Diane, we're open Thursday, Fridays, and Saturdays.
And if you just bought some from our competition and come here, don't get mad at us because we're selling it too cheap.